Hi, I'm Jahney, founder of Club Shuckers, and we're a women's only surfing retreat and events business. And I took out the full coaching package with Foti and Amelia earlier this year, and it's been a game changer. It has allowed us to sell out retreats overseas, create more retreats within Australia, and really use strategies, tools that we didn't have access to, implement more retreats and more events that we couldn't have done without Foti and Amelia's coaching. This has seen really great results. We're looking at a huge year next year with multiple retreats overseas and within Australia that have been strategically chosen to make sure we get a really good return on our investment. And we wouldn't have been able to do this without all the strategies, the teachings, the tutorials, the one-on-one sessions with them to create really incredible experiences and retreats for our guests that give us a return and make it feasible for us to keep going and keep growing the business and keep expanding. So without that, we wouldn't be where we are today. We wouldn't be ready to take that next step in our journey. While before we were good, we had a good community, we had good contacts, we had a good brand, but we didn't know how to take that next step, and we didn't know how to really explore and expand to make this a full-time job. So everything has gone exceptionally well. All the tools and resources we've been given have allowed us to apply to multiple projects and seen real expansion and a sustainable business growing. So we couldn't recommend it more, and we are so grateful that we took this opportunity to join Foti and Amelia in their business to get real one-on-one coaching to see us succeed. Awesome. Thank you.